Hey guys, as I said in earlier videos, this week is quite impressive, but you will get shocked because in this big model competition, a small but powerful model enters and it is destroying the developer's benchmark. The model I am talking about is none other than VibeThinker-3B. I know most people don't know about it, but let me give you a small recap of what this model is about and what makes it special. So let's get started. It's a 3 billion parameter model, meaning you can usually run it locally on your laptop without melting your RAM. It is matching the raw reasoning power of Claude Opus 4.5, GLM5, and Kimi K2.5 on the live code benchmark and AIM 25 logic test. Let's break down exactly how a model this small fighting the heaviest class. To understand why this 3 billion model works so well, we have to take a look at a new technique implemented by a team at WeiboAI called the compression coverage hypothesis. Massive 100 billion parameter model rely on coverage. They have to store vast amount of general knowledge like history, medicine or geography that took a massive amount of storage which blow up parameter size. Vive Thinker 3 billion strip all of that away and focus purely on compression. It is heavily optimized for mathematical reasoning, competitive programming, and vulnerable logic. It does not need to know general facts. It just needs the core rules of algebra, deduction, and core syntax. They use a SSP, Spectrum to Single Pipe pipeline. When you give it a question, instead of just guessing the next token, the model reasons through the problem, actively verify its own work in the background, and only output the proven result once it's checked out. But here is the massive developer reality check you need to hear before downloading it. Because it is so hyper focused on raw logic, the creator explicitly states that this model is not designed or trained for agentic tool calling or API orchestration. Don't try to use VibeThinker 3 billion to run an autonomous multi-agent routing for custom Python assistants like Luna. It will fail. Don't ask to architect a massive, beautiful, responsive React dashboard with heavy JSON scroll animation or complex tailwind layout breakpoints. Instead, you can use it local, free algorithm and database solver. So now comes the main question, how you can use it or how you can check its reasoning. To test it, I'm going to use this one. Okay, so I will provide the link in the description. Now what you have to do is simply go to use this model, and here you got some local apps. Okay, you can use any of this one. Okay, but I'm going to use Ollama because it's a free of cost and always running on our local server. Click on it and here you got the link. Just click on it, copy, then simply move to your terminal or VS Code. Okay, I just moved to VS Code here, and now it's time to download it. So I just paste this one and click enter. In the meantime, if you guys like this video, make sure to like it, share this video to everyone, and subscribe our channel. And if you guys have any doubt or anything, just let me know in the comment section. Okay, I will try my best to provide. And if you guys have any new model in mind, just let me know in the comment section and I will try to review it. Okay, so guys, okay, so now it's finished. Now it's time to test it out. So what I will do is I just simply paste this question here and click enter. Let's see what it answers, as this question answers is 7. Okay, so let's see, is that find out the answer or not. So guys, the answer is incorrect because here you can see it gives 6 people. But when I just found this question on Google, I tried and get the result, and Google gives me 7 people. That's what it makes wrong. Okay, now it's time to check the second question, that is this one. Okay, and here is the answer you can see on my screen. Now let's see it gives the answer correct or not. So guys, yes, this answer is correct, and hopefully we tried two questions, one is incorrect and second is correct. So we can say this model is quite impressive because you can see this works too much efficiently and the reasoning pass is quite impressive. But the thing is, it takes some little less knowledge other than many big models, but still it works fascinating. Okay, you can go and check this out. It can definitely do your works purely because I tested the questions which can't done by any LLM, simple LLM. Okay, I hope you got the point. These questions are on another level questions and still it gets one correct, so we can say it is good. Okay, you can use easily use and test it. Okay, and I already showed you how you can do that. So that's all about today's video, guys, and if you like this video, make sure to like it, share the video to everyone, and subscribe our channel, because I just showed you the reality of every model. Okay, so yeah, see you in the next video, guys. Happy coding.